Hello children, I am your teacher, Jai Shri teacher. Today I am going to teach you something. What you want to learn children? Oh, you want to hear the story? Okay, come on. Today teacher will tell you a story. Now you are, because of the coronavirus, you all are inside your house. Correct? So you are now become bored. So your teacher has come with the story to entertain you. Come on, let's start our story. Okay, come on. Do you know what is this? Tell me children. Yes, it's a mouse. Yes, it's a squeaky mouse. Make a sound of squeak, 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 squeak. Yes, it's a squeaky mouse. Small, tiny, squeaky mouse. Do you like mouse? Yes, even I also like mouse. Come on, now we will listen the story, The Lion and the Mouse story. What is this children? Yay! It's a lion. Now teacher is going to tell you the story, The Lion and the Mouse. Come on. One day in a far away forest, there lived a lion. Lion was sleeping under a tree. Was sleeping under a tree, and the mouse, the tiny mouse, saw the lion sleeping. Tiny mouse saw the lion is sleeping, so it thought, come on, let's have a fun of the lion. So he came to the lion and he started jumping on the lion. He started jumping on the lion. Up, down, up, down. Lion woke up and he became angry on the mouse. He caught the mouse and said, "Oh creature, why you are troubling me? You are a tiny little creature and you are troubling me. It's not fair. I was sleeping and you are disturbing me. Very bad. I am the king of the jungle. Don't you know? I am the king of the jungle. And you are making my fun. I'll not leave you." And Squeaky Mouse saying, "Please, please leave me, please leave me." The lion is telling, "No, I will not leave you. You have made fun. Now I will not leave you." Then the mouse pleaded, "Please, Majesty, next time I will not do. Please bear me." Then lion told, "Okay, next time you don't harass me. Okay, don't disturb me." Mouse agreed, and the lion made the mouse free. Then mouse is saying, "Thank you, your majesty," and it's running and going. Then after some days, there came a hunter and put the net on the lion, and lion caught under the net. Lion caught under the net. Now lion started shouting, roaring, "Oh, help me, hey, somebody is there, please help me. But nobody came to help him. The mouse was passing by. He saw the lion is in the net. So he wanted to help the lion. So what he did, he got the idea. He nibbled the net with his sharp teeth. Show your teeth, children. Show your teeth. With the sharp teeth, the mouse nibbled the net. And after some time, the lion's head out. Then the legs pow. And after some time, lion became free. Lion became happy. Lion became happy and said, "Oh, thank you, dear. Thank you, little mouse. You helped me and you made me free. Please, thank you. Help you. You are my friend now." So lion and the mouse both became friends after that. Children, now tell me what you learned from this story. Come on, tell me what you learned from this story. The lion and the mouse. What you learn? Oh yes, you learn that we should help each other, correct? And even we should not have a proud of ourselves. Even the smallest can help us. Even the strongest need help. Smallest also need help, and the strongest also need help. So we all should help each other. So children, when the school will reopen, that time you will come to school. When you should help your friend who is not bringing the pencil, eraser, crayons, you should share with your friend, correct? Yes. Hope you all enjoyed my story. See you soon, children. Bye. One more thing is that we have an activity. Can you make something for lion and mouse? Activity on lion and mouse? Okay. You can make a lion. See, Jahan made this lion with the help of paper plates. Even you can make this lion mask with the help of paper plate. You can take your mom's help. If you don't have paper plate, you can take any cardboard paper, any cardboard, and make it circle or any shape, and you can cut like this, nail and stick, and you can take a pencil or a sketch pen to make eyes, nose and mouth and whiskers with the lion of the lion. Okay, children, you understood? Yes, very nice. Next time you send me the pic of the lion. Okay, and even I will teach you one drawing of the mouse. Come on, take out your pencil and eraser and one paper, any paper. Come on first. We are going to make the mouse like this. Do you know numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Yes. So today we are going to make the mouse with the number 7. See how to make. You have to make first sleeping line. Then you have to make slanting line. You have to make a 7, and then you have to make a 6, and like this, and like this, whiskers, one eye, and some. Then we have to make a tail. See, like this, it became a mouse. You can color also like the teacher. See, teacher has colored this. You can make a mouse like this. Okay, children? Wow. Do you enjoy it? Yay!